Good evening guys, this is Lavanya and today I am here to explain you about hypertext markup language. So before going to know this, these are the following subtopics which we have to know. So first of all, introduction to HTML. So here is a introduction to this HTML. So this HTML is a markup language which is used by the browser to manipulate text, images and other content to display it in desired required format. And the HTML was created by Tim Berners-Lee in 1991, and the first ever version of HTML was HTML 1.0, and but the standard version was HTML 2.0. So this is the basic information which we need for the introduction for an HTML. And going to the HTML content, so it stands for hypertext markup language, and it is basically used to design a particular website or particular web pages. Next, so before going to study a particular language, basically encoding, we have to know what is the basic need of it and what is the need to use that particular language. We have to know it. So here are the following needs of an particular language. Here is of need of HTML. So first is to create web pages. Next is build web applications, upload website in search engines, and the website comes with live and the people see some information and read some information or because all of these websites. So if we look for an example, so these websites are mostly used in present generation. So for example, if we need to book any tickets or we need to reserve an hotel, so for any particular thing we need to receive a particular website. So those so to design those particular websites, we need to have to study this hypertext markup language. It is a basic and main need of this language. Okay. So next, going to the advantages and disadvantages. So basically we see the advantages. Coming to advantages, so HTML is widely used and every browser supports HTML language, and it is easy to learn and use and do not need to purchase any extra software because it is by default in every window. So while coming to the advantages of this HTML, so it is mostly to design particular website. It is a basic language anamata. So it is very easy to use and easy to learn also. And to learn this specific language, we need not require any particular software of high cost, nothing. So it can be implemented in any of the text editors. Okay, it particularly doesn't require any of the software. And looking to these disadvantages, HTML can create only static and plain pages. So if we need dynamic pages, the HTML is not useful. If need to write a lot of code for making a simple web page. Next is security features are not good at HTML, and if we need to write long code for making a web page, then it produces some complexity. So as we see in Java or C++, so if we make an error, the compiler automatically shows where the error is, and we may have the knowledge how to implement it. When coming to this HTML, we may not know what is the error and where we have placed what's the error. We doesn't know. This is one of the main disadvantage, and it does not have any of the security features, and it has more code complexity. And these are some of the disadvantages. Next, coming to the structure of HTML. So here we see the basic structure of a HTML. First is of document type. That means what it is a present, what's a document, and then HTML. It is a starting tag of this HTML code. First is of HTML head, and then title, and then body. So head is it. What is a header of a particular page we may place in this, and title. In particular website, what is the title we are giving, it will display at the top. what's the title. And body is that which we write all the content in it. And writing this HTML code, we are using as we use these tags, and must and should, it should be must and should be closed. Next, here some of the basic tags of an HTML. So these are the some of the basic tags. And so first of all, let us see few of the tags. First is of HTML is nothing but which declares the web page to written in HTML. So it that means the web page will specify in which language it is written. And then next is header tag. It delimits the page's head. And then title, it defines the title. So it shows what's the need and what is the main role of it. Title shows it. And next, body, it delimits the body's page. So like this, these are the following are the some of the few of the tags. And going to the implementation of this HTML, so to implement this particular hypertext markup language, we need not require any of the software of higher cost. So it can be easily implemented in our basic text editors like Notepad++, Visual Studio, etc. And these can be executed by the browsers like Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, etc. And these can be implemented very easily. And I think, friends, it is very easy and very particular language which can be compared to the other coding languages. It is very easy language which can be implemented very easily. And thank you. I hope you enjoyed the video.